Good morning, students. Welcome back to IP revision class. So today we are going to revise function. Functions are used to perform any specific task. In other language, it is also called procedure, subprogram, subroutine, and method. The following functions we are going to revise today. First one, length function, left function, right function, substr function, mid function, and round function. Now, it is important to understand the data storage, how any word is stored, and how we can refer any particular letter of any word. In this diagram, the word computer is stored, and using position positive and using the position negative. The letter C is stored at 1, whereas in negative positioning it is stored at -8. If you are saying that letter at +7, that is E, and letter at -3, that is T. Okay, and the next important point, it reads rightward in right direction. The first function, length function, this string function returns the total number of characters, letters or symbols, the alphanumeric data, symbols of the given data or column of any table. The syntax is length and within parenthesis string or column name. For example, select length in parenthesis within quotation computer semicolon, then it returns 8. It is very easy to count all the letters. You start from this place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It returns 8. Okay, and using this diagram you can understand it. Now another example, select length. This is IP class 5, then full stop. So this is stored like this. Place 5, 5, 8, 11, 17 stores blank spaces and 19 stores full stop. This way. So count, simply count how many symbols including blank space is 19. Next example, you can apply length function on any column of any table. So you are familiar with the employee table. Select name, length of ename from employee. It will display two columns. This side name and their number of digits, number of letters stored in the name. For example, Ravi, RAVI having 4 letters. So number of letter is the length. Okay. Now the next function is the left function. This string function returns the first NOC, number of characters, specified number of characters, maybe 543 from the string. The general syntax left string, then letter, number of characters, how many letters you want to read. Function left indicates the direction that it always reads from left hand side, from the left direction. For example, select left computer, comma 3. So it requires two arguments. First argument computer, second one is the 3 delimited with the comma. What is the delimiter? Here you can see comma is the delimiter in between the arguments. So it will read from left hand side, 3 letters from left side. 3 letters, first, second, third. 1, 2, 3, 3 letters. So COM is the answer. Okay. So you can see the output. When you run this code, you will get output. Okay, so here PUTER will not appear in the output. Second example, select left system comma 4. So 4 letters from left side, SYST is the output. Third example, pen and paper comma 7. So 7 letters from left hand side, 1 2 3 4 is the blank space, 5 6 again blank space, 7. So up to this place it will return pen blank space and symbol blank space P. That's why output is pen space and space P. Okay, now next function, write function. So it reads from right hand side. Okay, so this string function returns the last number of characters from the string. General syntax, write string and number of character. For example, select write computer comma 3. So from right hand side, so first of all it will count 1 2 3. When it comes to this place, then it always reads in right direction. So first letter in the output is T, then E, then R. TER, not RET. Okay, you can see the output in MySQL. Okay, TER. That's why I'm telling it reads always rightward. Next example, write computer comma 5. So 5 letters from right hand side, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and from this place it will read rightward. Okay, PUTER in the output. But if you are writing RETUP, that will be wrong. Okay. Next, write pen and paper comma 9. See the mapping of the letters. How many letters? 9 letters from right hand side. Just count 9 letters from right hand side. So it will start printing from this place, N space and symbol, ampersand symbol, blank space, then PAPER. So the output is this. Okay. Now next function, substr function. It is also called substring function. You can write substring also, and mid is similar to substr function. Both are same. You can see the syntax. Str, position, number of character. So it requires 3 parameters or argument. Here's the first example. Select substr computer 1 comma 3. So arguments are delimited with comma. This is the position. As per the syntax, POS is the position. Then the last argument is 3. So it will start reading the letters from first place, and how many letters it will read? 3 letters. Okay, and from where it will read? This is the first parameter. Okay, first parameter is the data source, second one is the starting point, and third one is the number of letters that it will return, it will display. Okay, 1 2 3 3 letters, so the output is COM. You can check in MySQL also. So the first 3 letter appears in the output. Okay students, now the next example, select substr computer minus 5 comma 5 minus 5. So starting point is minus 5, minus 1. This is minus 1 from right hand side. This is minus 5, and then from this place move rightward. Okay, read rightward. PUTER. How many letters? How many letters? 5. So it will return PUTER in the output. Okay. Here you can observe, you can see in the MySQL also. So this is the output. Next example, informatics practices 6, 8. 6, 8. So go to the sixth place. This is sixth place. And from this place, read right word. Read right word. And how many letters it will read? Total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So MATICS blank space P will be the output. Okay. Now next example, str MySQL functions, comma 3. So 3 is the position or number of characters. If this is the second argument represents position. So third argument is not given. Clear? So starting point will be 3. Then how many letters it will return? It will return all the letters from the specified place. So from the third place, it will read till the last letter, means all the letters. So it will return SQL functions by reading from 3 to 14. Okay. Now next function is the round function. Round function is a numeric function. It returns a number rounded to a certain number of places. Next point. For the numeric function, position of digits is different from the string function. It may contain decimal parts also. Here, for the numeric function position of digits, it is different from the string. That's why using this diagram, you can understand. Due to this decimal part, so decimal part represents the 0 place, okay, and rightward from the decimal means all decimal places represented through positive numbers +1, +2, +3, +4, and before decimal part -1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so decimal is 0, and after decimal positive, and before decimal negative. Now the round function, syntax of the round function. It uses two parameters. First one, number. The number to round may be a column of any table or fixed value. And second parameter, position. It is optional. The number of decimal places to round. Second point. This value may be positive or negative integer. It is up to you. If this value is omitted, means data is not given, then default value is 0. Default position is 0. 0 means decimal. Now example. So we will consider these two cases, the positive and the negative. First of all, case 1, when the position value is positive, that is at decimal or after decimal. First example, select round this value. So second parameter is not given, that is optional, and see how it displays 9835. If the second parameter is not given, it means position is 0. Okay, so the decimal value is not 5. Decimal values this side, decimal values, that is not 5, 4, which is less than 5. So integral part means before decimal is not rounded. That's why no change. So 9835 will appear in the output by truncating all the decimal places. Okay, so the output is 9835. Next example, if this number is not 4, it is 5 or more than 5, then see the example. So this time we have taken 5. So if this 5 is 5 or more, that's why it will be rounded. So the 5 integral part will be rounded. So the last digit of integral part 5 will be rounded to 6. And all decimal digits are erased. Okay. Now next example, when it is plus 1, it means we are representing this letter 5. Okay. To round this letter, it will check the next digit, which is 5. Next digit is 5, so it will increase, it becomes 6. Okay. So comma 1 means it will keep only one digit. Okay. And rest of the digits will be erased. Next one, plus 3, the third digit is 6. To round, it will check the next one, that is 7, so it will increase, so this 6 becomes 7 and 7 is erased. Due to this value, only 3 digits will appear in the decimal part. Now the next case, when position value is negative or before decimal. First example, select round, this is minus 1. Okay, the data is 9835.5567 minus 1. Minus 1 means this 5 before decimal, this 5. Integral part is rounded, before decimal part is rounded up in tens, and decimal digits are truncated. This is minus 1, that's why in tens. If it is minus 2, then it will round in 100. Minus 3 round in 1000. Okay. Now see the another example. Select round minus 1. This value is 4. That's why there is no change in the previous digit. Here in this example, there is a change in the previous digit. It is rounded due to this number is 5. So it is rounded in 10. It is 30 or 40. If it is 5 or more, then it will be 40. And if it is less than 5, then it will be 30. Okay, that's why I'm telling you it is rounded in tens. Okay, either 30 or 40. Next one, round minus 2. Minus 2 means round in 100. So these two digits will be rounded. Okay, 35, which is less than 50. 35 is less than 50. That's why these two digits 35 will be removed, 00. So it will be 9800. It is rounded down in 100 and decimal parts are truncated. Now next example, select round 9865 comma 5567 comma minus 2. Now you have to guess the output. You guess the output. This is minus 2. So 6 and 5 will be rounded. It is more than 50. That's why it will rounded up in 100. That's why 9900. Okay, you can see the output. Round 9865.5567 minus 2. This time the digit is 6, which is more than 5. So it will be coming to the next 100. This is 800. So after 800 is 900, rounded in hundreds. And all decimal parts are truncated. Okay, students. Thank you. So revise properly. Okay. And prepare yourself for your examination. Take care.